another video. Today we are playing Teardown. And I've this cool mod called Gwel. And basically what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be giving you a little tour of this place. As you see, it kind of broke a little bit over here because I don't know what this was made out of. But we're just going to be doing a little tour of the inside. And we're just going to be having a lot of fun today, basically. So, let's get our Omni cutter out. And let's get to doing stuff. So, I like Gwel's Mall. Because, like, I used to play Teardown on my Xbox Series X. And then you know what happened with that? Yeah, you probably know what happened with it. I don't know, my game's already so laggy. My game's already so laggy, guys. It's kind of crazy. Hold on, guys. I don't know my game is laggy. Hold on, guys. We're restarting. So my game was laggy for whatever reason. But that's okay. Because we can always restart the game. But yeah, basically, Teardown, it's sort of like Minecraft. But you just like destroy stuff and yeah. Basically the opposite of Minecraft, because like see how like pixelated it is? It's like voxels like Minecraft. But yeah, this is Gwel. But yeah, what we have in here. I know there's another version of like an Apple store, but I don't know where that went. I cannot find it. Or it's probably not in the version that I have. It's probably in a different version. I can probably see that. This is like a, I don't know what this is. You have to pay to enter this mall. Oh, I don't know. Straight through here like that. I don't even know how to get through here. Okay, so we're gonna just kind of. So this was it. Are we serious? Oh, here's a fire alarm, but we're not gonna do that because, you know what'll happen. So we're gonna try our best not to start a fire in here or something. That'd be bad. Oh, I'll say hi to my Teardown dog Timmy. Yeah, basically, he's gonna be joining us. But yeah, watch this, right? Where it's gonna kind of just throw this. You know what? I have an idea. And yeah, you can actually be really weak in this game. So you're just stuff. Oh, I not need to do that. Alright, ready? Oh, so go then full fire alarm. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like. And then here we've got like some cars and stuff. Here, this. We can actually open this up. We've got some trees. And here's a very unique part about this. You get like a Gwel key, and you know IKEA, right? Well, this is Gwel key, because, you know, Teardown is wanting to copyright it. With their maps and stuff, and their stores in this place. Yeah, look at this. Hey, look, it's so weak. That's already on. It's solid as crap. Alright. I have no idea what I just did right now. Did I set off like the fire alarm? Hold on, we're gonna have to get to the fire panel. Okay, so hold on, guys. We're going to the fire panel to turn off this stupid alarm. If I even remember which room it is in. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to get a headache here soon. One time I was playing Teardown and the fire alarm was going off for like approximately like an hour. No, this is not it. I don't know where this stupid room is. Is it in here? Nope, that's the little restaurant area. Oh, here it is. So this is the fire panel. How do don't even know how to. Here, maybe it's the other one. Hold on. Maybe it's the other one here. All the systems. All systems. I don't even know how to do this. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna have to. There we go. Alright, screw it. Okay, well, we got the freaking thing off finally. It wasn't the firewall this time, it was a different thing. I don't know what it was. But, you know, we got it all over with. So, anyways, as I was saying, I like teardown because that's like well Kia. You want to see something? You can easily break that. So we're just gonna kind of let that. Oh wait, never mind. That's the door. I don't want to sell that. It's so long again. But yeah, look at this. We can basically just kind of go in here. Look at this. Yeah, you got this whole thing, and then you can go. Oh, it's not working. Oh wait, no, that's up. There we go. Yeah, look, you also got some stairs. Got a nice little door. Not open. Wait, ain't no way that's open. What is that? Why is there a bleeping cow? Get me out of here. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, Tammy. There's a little cow in there. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this. This is very cool. Look at this. Look at this. You can easily go just kind of go in there and just hide. I just need to follow your friends. What happened here? Ain't no way I just blew up the freaking restaurant. I don't know what happened there. Something odd happened. Wait here. No, we're gonna change the weather. Wait, I actually have the best idea. So we're gonna spawn a tornado and have it suck up the freaking mob. Alright, ready? Ready? Watch this, watch this. Because the point of this video. Wait, no, I missed the tornado control. Actually, what? I actually have a better idea. I have the best idea. Alright, so we're gonna go to the outside actually. And we're just gonna keep it kind of just normal size. We're gonna keep it so I don't get sucked up or something. But we just wanted to destroy them all. Alright, here we go. Tornado options. Shake off. Full player, no. Okay, we can now. Where's the spawn thing at? There it is. Okay, now we need to go. Now we need to go to the tornado controller. Bye-bye, car. Okay, so this will really lag for me, by the way. Oh, there goes the car. Wait. the damage that we've caused from this chaos. Alright, now, see this thing over here? Look at the roof, guys. Isn't that we're like just getting destroyed by a freaking storm. Alright, ready? Watch this. So we're gonna grab our Omni Cutter. I never thought of this. Look at this, look at this. Ready? This would be the best idea ever. Ready? We're gonna just kind of just slice that in half. And we're cooked. Cause now my game's lacking so badly. Alright, so this isn't gonna be too long video. I made another one that was like 1 hour long, and I did not want it to be that long. Cause I'll be back. Look at that thing though. Look at that just. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys, and yeah, bye.